Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put your makeup on just with this and with all of my makeup. So first off, let me put you down. Okay, so first I'm going to put some cream on. Wait. Alright, so you're going to put this cream on. So I'm going to get some on my... Oh no. Rub that cream in everywhere. Okay. Now it's all gone. Put the lid back on. Okay, so next you're going to get this lipstick, any type, so. Just like that. And then you want to get some lip balm, put that over the top to make it more, so it stays on. Okay, so you're going to want to put that onto the top. Like that. Okay, then if you want to, you can add earrings, but I need help putting my earrings in. So you just need to get this, and you put it on your eyes, so. Just like that. If you hit one's eye, just like that. And then you want to get eyeliner. Then do a not like that. Let me try. Oh my god. Be back when I've done that. Okay, just wait for it to go like that. Now we're gonna need, let's get, I think it's this. Like that. Someone's knocking at our door. Yeah?
Jack's coming.
Okay.
I'm going to judge.
My brother's gonna judge. Okay, so you're gonna need this right here. Just gonna rub that in. Okay. And then you're gonna get this pencil. Put it on your eye. Just follow it. Alright, now we're gonna need to open my box, so be back when I've done that. Okay, so you're gonna need to get one of these, and then get my bag. Oh my god, everything fell on the floor. You're gonna need to get something like that. So you're gonna need, where is it? This brush. And then I'm gonna put this Oh wait, I used the wrong brush. You're gonna actually need this brush. Scrub that on your cheek, and it got all over my desk. It did, so look at that. All over my desk. Right, and then what are you gonna need? You're gonna need a palette. Them.
Cara,
So,
fixed it. I fixed the
I'm
bright
just
spot.
gonna put that there. And this is when this brush comes in, but I used that side for a different one where I'm not meant to use. So I'm gonna have to use this side. Maybe this one, don't you think, Jack? I'm gonna use the dark brown.
Fixed it.
Like that. And then you need some perfume. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and bye.